Have you ever wondered how to earn money online? Online from the comfort of your own home. Today, we are going to explore some practical and effective ways to make money online. First, let's talk about freelancing platforms like Upwork and Fiverr allow you to offer your skills and service to clients all over the world. Another option is starting a blog or YouTube channel. By creating valuable content and building an audience, you can monetize your platform through ads, sponsorship, and affiliate marketing also. If you have skills for writing, consider becoming a freelance writer or self-publishing books on platforms like Amazon, Kindle, direct publishing. E-commerce is also a popular way to make money online, whether it's through dropshipping, creating your own products, or selling on platforms like Etsy or eBay. There are endless opportunity in the world of online retail. Don't underestimate the power of online tutoring or teaching. With platforms like VIP Kids or Skillshare, you can share your knowledge and expertise with students around the globe. Lastly, consider investing in stocks, cryptocurrency, or real estate online. While it may require some upfront capital and potential for passive income is significant. And the last thing that the internet has revolutionized the way we work and make money with determination, creativity, and a bit of hustle. You can start earning money online today. Remember to like, share, and comment below with your favorite way to earn money online. Ta-ta.